Welcome back. Today I'm going to try plum cake, and I've got 5 different dry fruits here: cranberries, dates, raisins, apricots and plum. So let's add all our dry fruits into this bowl. Now we need to soak our dry fruits in grape juice. I've got a cup of grape juice here. It's a regular grape, just grind it, filter the juice. Now we have to soak our dry fruits in grape juice for at least 3 to 4 hours. It's been 4 hours, so now we can drain the grape juice and retain only the dry fruits. So I have drained the juice now. We can keep this aside. So to start with the cake batter, first let's add 1 cup of warm water. Then let's add sugar, 1 cup of sugar. Mix it well. And then let's add oil, like 3/4 the cup. And then I'm adding all-purpose flour, 2 cups. And then I've got like baking powder, 1 teaspoon. And baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon. And also I've got cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, mace. Like I made it like a powder. This little more than a teaspoon, close to 1.5 teaspoon, all together. And then mix the well. And then add vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. And then add a little bit of salt, very little. Now just mix it well. So I have mixed the cake batter well. Now we can add the dry fruits, soaked dry fruits, and then I also got pieces of cashew nut, almond and walnut. I'm adding that as well, and again mix it properly. So I've got the baking pan. I've greased the inner side with butter. Now we just have to add our cake batter into the pan. Carefully add it. So pour the batter. Now to bake the cake, preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade or 375 degrees Fahrenheit and place it for 30 to 40 minutes or until the cake is cooked well. Now let's get to the oven. So I've set the temperature for 370 degrees Fahrenheit and the time I kept it for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and still the cake looks like need to be baked for some more time. So I'm going to increase the time for another 10 more minutes now. So wow, it's so puffy now, and I can also see those air cracks formed on top of the cake. So I think it's time we can take it out from the oven. I'm using a wooden stick. to check whether the cake is cooked inside. Yeah, there is no sticky substance, so looks like the cake is cooked properly. Yes. Okay, so now that means we can transfer it to a plate. It's too hot, I'm using a towel. Okay, let me try to flip it. Yes. Oh wow, wow. So everything went well until now. When I actually started to cut the cake into slices, the cake broke down into small pieces and I couldn't get the proper slices. Still, the taste was good, nothing wrong with the taste, and my family really liked it, especially my kids, they loved it. And still, if you're eager to see how my cake looks like, there we go. This is how it is. Yeah, it's scattered all over. But still, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Thank you.